Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Awahine and today we are heading to Cape Coast, located in Ghana, West Africa. I'm not too sure what the road system is going to be like, but hey, it's part of the adventure. So come along with me, let's explore, experience and enjoy this expedition together. I'm about 2.1 miles away from Anyang Kwanta off Bekwai Road. Yeah, I know I have a lot of miles waiting for me, but hey, I have some music and some water and drinks that will keep me hydrated. This is Anyang Kwanta and I'm gonna be making left over here to Cape Coast. So you can see people are going about with their businesses. It's morning, it's bright, the sun is out. Yeah, I'm feeling the journey so far. Just taking each drive at a time. This is a little safety tip, guys. If you find yourself driving behind a truck, please don't be quick to overtake. Please. You know, some of these large trucks may block your view of what is ahead and you may not know. Let's just take our time on the road. Sometimes there may be oncoming cars, sharp curves, potholes, or even pedestrians. You want to save yourself and also save other people. Just make sure that you have an open stretch of road before making any move. You know, because sometimes that few extra seconds can save a life and you can save yourself as well. So let's be cautious and drive carefully on the road. It's very important. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Be safe out there and see you in my next video. Bye bye.